With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, define critical angle and how does it depend on the wavelength of the incident light? Let's see. Critical angle is the angle of incidence at which the refraction angle is 90 degree. But the conditions are that the light must be going from a denser to a rarer medium. Denser to rarer medium. Consider this diagram. In this, we can see that a light ray enters the glass slab and the angle of incidence is I1. But when the light ray is about to leave the glass slab, the angle of incidence is I. If this angle of incidence I is greater than the critical angle, then the light will not emerge out, whereas it will undergo total internal reflection. The light ray will emerge out only when the angle of incidence is less than the critical angle. The relation between the critical angle and the refractive index is given by sin C is equal to 1 upon mu, where C is the critical angle and mu is the refractive index of the material. We have to tell how does it depend upon the wavelength of incident light, and we know that refractive index is equal to lambda naught upon lambda, where lambda naught is the wavelength of light in vacuum and lambda is the wavelength of light. So let's substitute the value of refractive index in this equation. This will give us sin C is equal to lambda upon lambda naught. So we can see that sin C is directly proportional to the wavelength of light. So we can conclude that the critical angle depends directly on the wavelength of incident light. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.